Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which allows you to open your HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript file directly in the browser. So this is the extension that I'm talking about. If you see, it's got almost 302 installs, 1000 installs. So if you just write open in browser in the extensions tab, this extension will come right here. So just click the install button to install this extension. So after installing it, go to your HTML file and right here in the it will add this option here. If you see, if you right click open in other browser or preview in default browser, it will add this option right here. As soon as you do this, automatically you will see the file will be opened. So it adds this option right in the context menu. You can basically select from a series of browsers here. It can be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge. If I select Firefox, so now it opens the same application in the Firefox browser. So basically it adds on this option right here. Also in the status bar as well. So you will see it adds this option right in the status bar as well. You can directly click on the status bar to simply go to the file in the browser. So this is a app extension. It's used by almost 12 million developers. So it basically opens the current file in your default browser application. It can be JavaScript, HTML, CSS. You can see all the code is there. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.